Hello everyone, my name is Yanping. Today I'm going to solve a question is about a no was take out for 50,000 and it paid with a semi-annual payment of 2800. Then the loan rate is 2.7% compounded monthly. Create a partial amortization table for this ordinary general annuity. What is the balance on after the first 2 years? We know the loan is 50,000. Then we agree to the payment 2800, and obviously we already have the PMT. If we wanted to make the list FV, PV, IY, CY, PY, PMT, the missing variable we need to calculate with the calculator button is N. So the non 50,000 negative PV, be sure to make the PV negative because this will affect your understanding of the balance at the end of each interval. Negative PV FV 0, IY is 2.7, IY PY is 2, and remember we always put the PY first. CY is 12, and we need to exit the menu. PMT is 2800. We need to figure out the N. We got the N 20.589, but we need to be rounded to 21. N equal 21 payments. As you can see, we already set the table for amortization. So we needed to know exactly what's on the table. Here we don't enter anything, but we have to write the opening balance 50,000. 21 payments is a number of payments we need. We are going to put the information in the first three and the last three. We know they are going to be 21 payments, but therefore the amortization function and the amortization table don't change anything in the calculate. 1, 2, 3, 21, 20, and 19. We need to put da 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 here, da 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 here, da 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 here, here, da 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 here. N in calculator don't need to be rounded. A payment PMT equal 2800. 2800. Except the last one, which will not occur in the 21st interval. Later in the calculator, you will find that you will, if you only make 20 payments, you will not actually pay off the loan. You must make the 21st payment. Now we get to go into the amortization function. You need to press second and amount. It's important that you press enter for any you enter in P1 and P2. It means P1 is 1, enter. P2 is 1, enter. We can get the balance at the end of interval 1 is negative because that means you owe money. So we get 4778.81 and press arrow, got the principal 21.19. We got the interest 678.81. To be make sure we run the correct. We are going to start an interval number 2. P1 is 2, P2 is 2, and press the arrow. We got balance at the end of interval 2. We don't need to write negative. Press arrow, got a principal 2149.99. Got the interest 650.101. The interest in interval 2, and we can see that the interest is going down. We are going to start an interval number 3. Sorry. P1 equal 3 and P2 3 and we got the balance 6. There's the arrow. We got a principal 179.8. There's interest 82. Next we are going to start an interval number 19. P1 is 19 and P2 is 19 and we got the balance 2.69. Press arrow. We got the principal 2703.9. Regular interest 96.07. We are going to talk about the interval number 20. Sorry, 20. P1 equal 20, P2 is 20. We got the balance 6, 16.04. First arrow, sorry, principal 20,040.64. Go to the interest 59.36. After the 20th payment, we still own 1632.04. This means that the 21st payment we have to pay, leave the closing outstanding balance as 0. Zero. The principal is equal this one. The model is the same every time. The two number is always equal. Now we have to use our calculator to figure out how much interest we own on our last interval. So P1 is 21 and P2 is 21 and we got the interest is 22.16. Now we calculate the PMT for interval 2021. And since we need to pay off the principal and the interest during this time, we can add these two value together. Our loan amount was 50,000. It means that our principal repayment must be 50,000. 50,000. That can be any different between these numbers, or you are paying too much or not enough. And for the total balance, nothing is right here. There's nothing here because it doesn't make any sense. We can put the here. Now we want to know the total interest, so we need to figure out P1 is 1, enter P2 is 21, enter, figure out the interest. It's 24.20. Sometimes depends how you calculate. You may have a deviation of 1 cent. For the total paid is equal to the sum of the total interest and the total principal. We can add these two. Or we can look at our payment. This one column. We can look at the this payment PMT column. 2800 times 20 plus 21 first amount equal. This equal this one. In the question, we need to figure out what is the balance of after the first 2 years. As we know, payments are semi-annual, which is means payments are semi-annual, which is two equal for payments in first 2 years. And we can calculate P1 is 4, enter P2 is 4, enter. We can figure out the balance. We don't need to write down negative. B balance equal to 4. It. Thank you for listening.